What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we're gonna talk about how to copy color from other footage into your video clip just in Premiere Pro. Let me just say to steal color grading from other clip to your clip just in Premiere Pro, just like this one. So now let's jump into Premiere Pro right now. So now I'm in Premiere Pro just right now. So now this is the clip. I just want to paste the color correction from this image. So now let me put my footage here, because I just want to copy this color from this image to my video clip. So now click here on comparison view. So now you see I received two. First it is reference and the second one is currents. So this is reference and this is currents view. So now for this current view it is for my footage, and then for this reference it is for my image, or just you can change into my footage. Okay, so now this is the slide by slide, and this is the vertical split, and this last one is horizontal split. So you can change any view that you want to make. So now click here on the control panel. So let me extend this project panel. First I'm going to create an adjustment layer. So now click OK here and then drag into your clip only. So now drag your adjustment layer on the top of your clip. So now after this, come here on Lumetri color. So now click here on color wheels and match. So now after this, click here on apply match. Okay, so now you see the color grading is already pasted in my footage. So now this is before and this is after. So now I'm going to add some few colors, shadows, mid-tone and highlight in this footage. So let me add some green, and then in this highlight just increase this orange. Okay, this is perfect. On this mid-tone I just want to add some small lead. Okay, so now after this, come here on curve, then click here on lead color. So let me extend this program monitor. Then I'm going to balance this lead in my clip. Okay, so now after curve, so come here on basic correction. So now I'm going to increase this temperature to add some small blue color. And after this, increase the black and the contrast. Reduce this highlight and increase some small saturation. This is before and this is after. So guys, this is how you can just copy some colors from other clip into your clip. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, just like that, in order to get new update video. Yes, that is it. Wait, and leave comment down below, okay? So see you in next video.